YouTube video, and today we are in a dummy. And before I did this, I got a dog because someone wanted me to make them a nail. So I already made one full grown, and I gave one to my sister to handle and one to my other sister. Oh wait, never mind. I have to give her the dog to upgrade. So yeah, so Talia, you are looking after this pet for me. So look after this one. And it's Jade. Okay, she is gonna quickly do that. Okay, that's my name. So she doesn't get mixed up. And I'm gonna tell her. Okay, I'm going to be going to school. Join me. One sec, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back, guys. And yeah. Wait, what did she say? It's my B-day. Can I have a pet? No, that's a scam. I know that for a fact. Oh, there's my sister. Okay, we need to go to the hospital. Oh yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm nearly at hospital.
I'm at hospital.
I'm at hospital, basically. Oh yeah, I'm at hospital now. My sister keeps on teleporting to me because I need everything, and yeah. I don't know why, I just started doing this for some reason. Okay, let's just wait.
Yeah, just 1 second. Hi, Jade.
Okay, that's my sister. Okay, yeah. Oh, her dog is there. Now I'm gonna be going reset.
I just need that.
Okay.
Look. Jade. How come it's not working at the hospital?
Oh, it's not done. Okay, done. Okay, so now my other sister is doing it because she was dressing up that whole time. So let's go into this house. King Beef. Oh wow, this house has everything you need basically. And now my other sister is here.
Me.
No.
I tell you.
Yeah. It has like basically everything except for like, you know, hospital, school, playground.
Jade uses a teen now.
Sis? Okay. Mine is nearly done.
Mine is done. It just needs hospital still.
Why did you copy me? Oh, you didn't. My skin color. Okay, so there we go. And yeah, so my sister copied my idea. One sec, guys.
Come on. There's always nothing. Like legit. Just look. And finally.
One sec, guys. Oh, needs to sleep, so I'm just gonna put Dog in there. Okay, Lex, what do you want to do? So you want to record yourself in Roblox? Okay. So do you want to join me?
That you were on. Did you pause your video, Jade?
No. Okay, so wait. So hey guys, I am in Adopt.me. Wait, I don't know if it started. Yeah, it started. Go hi guys.
What is junior? What is junior?
Okay, that's okay.
Jade?
I don't know if this is
Jade.
what
What is junior after doing? What is junior after doing one thing?
so yeah. Sorry guys, my sister's in here and I'm just like, out if you're doing your own YouTube video.
There's clearly like a lot of stuff in here. There's no like beds for the babies and only for like pets. It's all like pets.
Babies share the pets.
I know, but it's all like type of babyish pets.
Dude, I just teleported to somebody's house.
No, that's
Okay.
just a bedroom.
And your house.
Okay. So,
Oh my god.
someone's like, I don't want King Bee. That is a legendary. So, whoa. Alright, I'm just waiting for my sisters. Yeah. So, when this gets up to 10 minutes, I will be doing a part 2. Okay, I don't think it needs anything yet. No, it needs a shower. Okay, I'm gonna just teleport to my sister.
One.
I'm gonna let this talk. Okay, I teleported. Oh, why am I in the shower? I'm gonna exit. Okay, let's go back in now. Okay, my sister's getting quite bored.
I'm just going. What are you doing?
Oh, the person left the server.
Hey,
Door's locked.
am I going to this house? Honestly, what's your name? The door's locked.
Okay, I'm just going to a simple. Oh, I don't need a shower anymore. Whatever.
I'm not going.
Let's go to the waterfall. Wait, do I have food? Yes, I do. I'll give it food at the waterfall.
I might not go to.
Okay. So this has already been like 10 minutes, but once we're done the waterfall,
How do you navigate? How do you go? Like teleport there? How do you teleport?
okay. So we are here. Okay, thanks guys for watching. I will be doing a part 2. So yeah, please smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye. See you in the next video.